I had a problem with blurry video when I speeded up in Luma Fusion. Actually, it was fine in Luma Fusion, but it would show up after export. So every time you speed up a video, the non-speed up part looked great, but as soon as you speed it up, it would be fuzzy. I couldn't find a solution on YouTube no matter how hard I tried. One day I got fed up and tried every option with the test video. What I discovered is that GoPro records in 29.94 frames per second and I was exporting in 30 frames per second. Everything was fixed when I started exporting correctly, and I haven't had any issues in that department since. And it's the same thing with 60 frames per second. If you go back and watch the video again, you'll see the quality difference at different speeds. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.